And I predict that this match will blow the roof off the arena. Standing 7'4", Andre the Giant made his WWE debut in 1973 and has been a force to be reckoned with ever since. This man needs no introduction. 6'7", 305 pounds of all-American muscle, Hulk Hogan. On the mat now with a waistlock.
Here comes the Hulkster. The momentum's on his side.
It almost seems that it's a mismatch. And you know Hogan loves hearing this response from the WWE fans. There's nothing that energizes him more. Oh! A big boot by the Hulkster.
That elbow did some damage.
It literally gives me goosebumps seeing the Hulkster. The man is emotion personified.
One!
He powered out. And there's another one.
What a vicious chop.
Hulk's putting those massive 24-inch pythons to good use.
Look out! Headbutt! He's really going for it now.
There's never been, and I don't think there ever will be, another competitor as physically impressive as Andre the Giant.
This guy embodies huge, Ross. He hits with the force of a freight train. Andre fighting back into the match.
The pendulum swung 180 degrees here. And the knuckles connect.
Oh, man. When you've got 500 pounds of weight behind you, you're going to do some serious damage.
Andre's not just a great wrestler, he's also a great fighter. And this man has beaten boxers, wrestlers,
and he can probably beat up commentators, too. You better watch what you're saying when you're talking about the Giant.
A sharp, crisp elbow drop.
He countered that one perfectly.
Swift kick.
Oh, wow. He hits those moves. Andre with a huge headbutt. You got to wear a football helmet against the Giant.
He's a 3 count away from a pinfall. 2. Oh, man, that was almost 3, JR.
Hogan's so resilient. Now he's looking to make a comeback.
I don't think this match will continue much longer, King. I don't think there's too much left in the tank here.
And that punch lands hard. Oh, what an underhanded move. Oh! Come on. What a dirty move. A shot to the gut.
I can't believe he countered that one. The intensity of these superstars is unbelievable.
What a punch. And there's an elbow drop.
The punch connects. Look at the strength.
1, 2.
Is that? No, only 2.
This might be it for Andre. Oh, that can break your tailbone.
And now a pin.
1.
This could be it.
2. Was that 3? No? Come on.
One more time.
Oh, I can feel that one out here. No, Hogan, back off.
Hogan, so full of energy and passion for this business.
You're probably going to say Hulk's the total package, right, JR?
Well, there's not much Hulk hasn't done. And the landscape of this match has changed.
He may get the 3 count
1,
here.
2. That was so close to 3 he could taste it.
A textbook reversal there.
And this one's been phenomenal. The atmosphere is tremendous. What a match. Another whip. And again, the feet fly. He drops him like bad barbecue.
Bam! Hogan hits the big boot. A beautiful atomic drop right there.
He's going for the pin.
One, two. There's the kick out. I thought that was it for sure.
Oh, he's going for the eyes. That's such an effective move.
Into the neck lock. Pushing him into the corner.
Oh, the elbow connects. Oh!
The big boot. What sickening impact.
Leg drop! Hogan hits the leg drop.
What a nasty elbow.
Andre wins!
Here is your winner, Andre the Giant.
Tapping out might be painful, but not as painful as suffering a serious injury if you don't.
Come on, JR.